What is up, you guys? It is none other than your girl. You have tuned in to Keeping Up with the Coopers, and if you guys want to know more on how to get this look, go ahead and stay tuned. But before we go ahead and get started, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, you guys, I have a very special appearance. My beautiful daughter, she's only 4, she will be making a special guest appearance on this video today. You guys do not want to miss out. She's so cute, you guys, and she loves makeup. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If not for me, for my beautiful baby girl. So I hope that you guys all enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. What is up, YouTube fam? You guys already know what it is. You guys have tuned in to the new lit channel on the block. This is Keeping Up with the Coopers, and if you don't know, well then now you know. I have a guest appearance today with my mini-me. Tell them what your name is. This is my daughter Ari. Oh, girl, you getting heavy. She wants to go ahead and make an appearance, you guys, and do her makeup, you guys. You know, she's a girly girl just like her mommy, so she enjoys it, and that is what she's gonna want to do today, you guys. If you guys all, I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there. If anybody has any issues with my baby playing like regular girls do, oh, she's too little, she's too this, it's just makeup, it wipes off. And if you don't like it, go ahead and click off on this video right now. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Go ahead, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and ding that notification button. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. So I don't really know if we're gonna really talk through this video. You wanna do a sped up version, Riri?
Yes.
Yes? She's so shy, she's like, yes.
Yes.
So I don't know, I think I might go ahead and do it. You do want to do a speed up version? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and speed this version up today, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and create some looks, you know what I'm saying? Toddler version versus mommy version. So let's go ahead and get started into this video. Again, I hope that you guys all enjoy. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So bye, guys.
Bye. Hit the bell.
Oh, they can't see you. Put your face down here. Put your face down here.
Hit the bell.
Tell them what else to do, boo.
Hit the subscribe button.
You heard what my baby said. Hit the bell and hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys go ahead and show some support. If not for me, for this beautiful face right here.
I like it. You like it?
Yes. It's so pretty. Alright, you guys, so what I'm doing right now is I basically put on my concealer. Use any concealer of your choice. You guys go ahead and throw that bad boy thing right up on their lids. I was super excited because her daddy walked through the door, so that's why you see her like looking all around. And basically what I'm using today is the It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics, the color Control Freak. I'm so sorry, you guys. It's like a light brown. I'm gonna go ahead and slap that color on there on my whole lid. So that is the color Control Freak.
No, I'll bring it out.
Ooh.
I'm bringing it out.
Ooh, girl, you sure are blending it out. You are a pro at this, Reed. I swear, she is the cutest, you guys. I can't.
I'm bringing it out. Bring it out. Bring it out.
That's right, baby. Blend, blend, blend.
You like it?
I love it.
I did this one and I don't want it. I like it like that.
Alright, you guys, so the color that I'm using right now, after I went ahead and I put the Control Freak, I'm going ahead and using the color Friday. It's like a very, I don't know, like a burgundy red, but you get the concept. It's really pretty.
This was my favorite. It's round like you.
It's brown like me?
Good. They was brown like you.
Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, you're so sweet. I told you guys, tell me that my baby is not the cutest. Like, she is literally like my hype woman. And right here, she was like, Mommy, can you help me? And I was like, yes, baby. Mommy, go ahead and put that eyeshadow on you. But she is literally, I love her. She's like literally a mini-me version. She loves makeup and she loves all the girly things that I like, which is awesome. So what you guys see right now is I'm just blending that Friday from the It's My Ray palette into the Control Freak, because you guys already know what it is. No harsh lines. Even she knows that.
Like it now? I did it now.
You look beautiful.
Look.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
You gotta do this side, not the other side.
It is so cute how she just holds her little eyelash and pulls it all the way down just so she could apply her eyeshadow. I think it's like the cutest thing ever, I swear. So basically, you guys, the color that I'm going in that you guys are seeing right there is I'm going in with the color Tiffany. That's also from the It's My Ray Ray palette. Everything in this video is going to be off of the It's My Ray Ray palette, okay? So that color is the Tiffany Sparkle, the sparkle color. Yeah, you get the point. So that is what I'm going to use. So I'm basically applying that all on my lid. Ari also has a BH Cosmetics palette. I forgot. I think this is like the Galaxy palette. So she's using like the shimmer powders. So I just want her to do something like more like girly, not too heavy. You know, she's just a baby, so just let her have fun. You can always wash it off later. And that color right there, you guys, I'm going in with Connie. It's like a deep purple from out of the palette. And it's actually, this palette is super pigmented, you guys. I'm loving the purple. I love how I'm going into my crease on the outer corners with that purple. It is literally giving me life. And just look at how it's popping off that sparkle shimmer. And I actually did my eyelashes off camera, you guys. And my Ari, she left me at this time. So that's why you guys do not see her in the video. So you guys already know what I'm doing right now. I usually put on my foundation and stuff before, but I decided to switch it out. So I'm going ahead and I am sculpting those brows, honey. Sculpt it on out. Make it nice and clean. And I actually ran out of eyeliner, so that's why I had to do my eyelashes off camera. So yeah. And you guys already know I love Fit Me foundation. It is the bomb. It's like one of my favorite foundations so far. I haven't found one that competes with it. I'm going with the Fit Me concealer. Choose whichever one that matches your skin tone, you guys. You already know what I call this bag to be gone. Look how bright it makes my under eyes, you guys. It's just gonna pop the eyeshadow off even more. I'm just like looking at it right now. I'm like, girl. At this point, I was losing my mind. I was losing stuff, you know, stuff like that happens sometimes, but it's all good. I'm gonna find it. And I'm just applying the setting powder of my skin tone because I don't want to look like Casper underneath my eyes. Setting my face and going ahead and getting rid of all that shine, because in the beginning of the video, a lot of you guys don't know, I already used basically like an oily moisturizer, so that's why my skin was really oily in the beginning of the video, because you don't want to go with, you know, dry skin, because then it looks kinky. Alright, so right now I'm just doing the same colors that I applied on my eyelid. I'm going ahead and I'm putting that on my waterline just so that everything matches up and it just pops off your eyes a little bit more and gives you that more like seductive look to me. And then I'm going into the color, I'm going into the corners of my eye with the color Allison. It's like a really nice gold color from out of her palette. And you guys, you know what I'm saying? I gotta snatch that nose together. So I'm going ahead, I'm using her Brownie Bite color, and that's what I'm using to basically contour my nose. And I'm actually going to give you guys a little sparkle, so I'm going to go ahead and use her Radiant color as well that you guys are going to see here. And that's actually her highlighter, but it's not here right now. So right now I'm actually using the NYX color. And what color is this? Let me see, I have it right now. It's the Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I don't know what color it is, but yeah. Here it goes. Here it goes. That's where I'm going to give you guys that sparkle right on the nose. Right on the nose. And again, that's the color Radiant from the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette. And I'm going to go ahead and just go highlight crazy. Not too crazy. Just a little bit crazy, you know, to look like a little golden goddess. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to bring out the melanin goddess in me. So what's a brown goddess without sparkle, right? And then I'm going back in with the Brownie Bite, and that is what I'm going to go ahead and use to contour my cheeks. And of course, you're going to go ahead and slap that thing on your forehead. And that is all, you guys. That is pretty simple. I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video. It wasn't really, you know, how to, but that's about it. Alright you guys, so I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video with me and my daughter. Unfortunately, she had to bounce, so she left in the middle of the video. She was like, I'm done with my makeup. There's nothing else to do here. So I wanted to show you guys her finished look, but she is not here to do that right now, you guys. Other than that, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed everything that I use. I will probably either list in the video or I will probably list down below. But go ahead and do your girl a favor. Go ahead, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and ding that notification bell. And go ahead and join the Coop gang, okay? And if you don't know, well, now you know, guys. I hope that you guys all enjoy, and let's go ahead and grow together. Let's be a family together. Let's go ahead and get this channel popping. Feel free to go ahead and share this video. Also, you guys, like I tell you guys in all my videos, I respond to all comments, so go ahead and leave that information down below. Go ahead and also subscribe down below. So that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. I hope that you guys all enjoy, and until next time, I'm gonna get back with you. Bye.